Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are making this absolutely adorable zero maintenance crochet hanging trailing plant. It features a lovely beige basket base, a brown soil ball stuffed with cotton, and beautiful, vibrant green cascading leaves. If you want to know exactly how to make these gorgeous green leaves, I used a fantastic tutorial which I'll link down in the description box below, and they turn out perfectly every time. Let's dive right into the tutorial. We're going to start from the bottom up by making our beige basket container. Instead of a magic ring, we are going to start with a classic chain base. First, make a slip knot and chain 2. For round 1, work 6 single crochets SC directly into that very first chain you made the second chain from your hook. Once you have your 6 stitches, you can pull the starting tail slightly to tighten up any little gap. For round 2, we are going to increase in every stitch around. So place 2 single crochets into each of those 6 stitches. You'll end up with 12 stitches total. For round 3, follow a standard increase pattern. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next. Repeat that sequence all the way around to get 18 stitches. Once your base is the size you want, let's build the walls of the basket to give it a nice, flat bottom edge for the next round.
كن فيكن يا منبع الحياة. كن فيكن يا منبع الحياة.
We are going to single crochet in the back loops only of every stitch. This makes the wall turn upward beautifully. For the next few rows, just work regular single crochets in both loops all the way around until your beige basket is deep enough to hold our soil insert. Now let's move on to making these beautiful, thick cascading leaves. The secret to this pattern is that we create a long vine of chains and drop a leaf at regular intervals. It's super easy once you get the rhythm down. First, make a slip knot with your green yarn and chain 10 to 12. This gives us a nice long stem at the top to sew into our soil later. Now let's make our very first leaf. Chain 3. This forms the foundation of the leaf. Inside the third chain from your hook, we are going to work all of our stitches into that exact same loop to create the round shape. Work 2 double crochets followed by 2 treble crochets to give the leaf its perfect little pointy tip. Chain 2. Now we mirror the other side by working 2 treble crochets and 2 double crochets right back into that same center loop. To finish the leaf, chain 2 and slip stitch back into that very same center loop. Look at that! Our first leaf is complete. To move down the vine to the next leaf, simply chain 8 to 10 to create a natural gap. Then, just repeat the leaf steps all over again in the third chain from your hook. You can make these strands as long or as short as you like. For my plant, I made a few strands of different lengths to give it a realistic, trailing look. Once you reach the end of your vine, fasten off. And make sure to leave a long tail at the top of the strand so we can assemble everything. With our basket and stuffed soil ball ready, it's time for the best part, the greenery. Take your yarn needle and some green yarn and firmly sew the top bases of your leaf strands right into the top center of our brown soil ball. Once your leaves are secured, pop the brown ball right inside the beige basket. You can use a bit of hot glue or use a yarn needle to stitch the basket rim to the brown soil ball so it stays perfectly in place. And there you have it, a gorgeous handmade crochet trailing plant that looks amazing on any shelf or desk. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below letting me know what color basket you made. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!